Okay chaps, what we've got today is a competition prize. Minuto cigar from Cuba. No, smoked it all myself. What I've done, I've made some nice little pocket picks and a few wrenches just for the lads as a competition. First off, hang on, let's get it. First off, we've got a few tension wrenches I've knocked up. 3 different thicknesses. Where is it? There we are. 3 different thicknesses, 3 different lengths. Obviously from car wiper blades. All basic stuff, but all good working things. A few pieces of wiper inserts, so you can make your own. Do what you want with them. And 4 hacksaw, cheapo pound shop hacksaw blades. I've used the very end of the blade, so if you needed to or if you wanted to, you could always throw a bolt through these and use them together like that. The camera's picking that up alright. Is that better? Yep. Like I said, you've got the bolt hole. So we've got a rake, a diamond, a nice sturdy hook and a curved hook. That's the prize, gents. They all fit nicely in that little cigar holder, and let's see if we can make them work. This is a nice little Basta 1, 2, 3, 5 pinner Basta, yeah. So my choice, curved hook, I like them, and thin wrench. Find the thinnest one. That's the thinnest one, yeah. Let's give it a go. Gotcha. There you go. So they do work. One Basta opened. And 1, 2, 3, 4 nice little pocket picks for the winner. There we go. They all want polishing up a bit because I can't be arsed doing all that. But like I said, you can either put a bolt through it and keep them like that, or shove them in the little cigar holder. And 4 offcuts so you can make your own. Nicely packed away, stick that in your pocket, jobs are good. Cheers lads.